Today we're going to talk about animal idioms. You can use idioms and it's really going to help you to sound like a native speaker. They're very useful expressions that we use in our daily life.
Right, so let's begin now then.
Yeah, let's go. Can you tell us, Namfon, have you ever been skydiving?
Skydiving? No, I would chicken out.
Ah, you would chicken out.
This is so scary.
All right.
Please don't ask me to do it.
Okay. I think I have an idea of what we can do next time we go to the UK.
I prefer eating.
Sure, everyone loves to eat. Yeah. For me, I love to pig out on pizza. After I've done maybe a long bike ride or a long run.
I can pick out any time. I don't even have to do any exercise.
Oh yeah. Wow, very lucky.
The other day you were trying to make some pizza, weren't you?
Yeah, I was, yeah.
How did it go?
It was a bit of a disaster, to be honest.
Oh, why was it?
Well, I needed to buy some ingredients. I needed to buy like a pizza base. But I just couldn't find one anywhere. It was a bit of a wild goose chase.
So a wild goose chase.
Yeah, so I couldn't buy any pizza bases, so I couldn't make my pizza. Yeah, very sad, very sad.
That's a shame. Anyway, do you know anyone who's good at making pizza?
Yes, I do. There was one guy I used to know back in England who was very good at making pizza. Yeah, but he would just rabbit on and on and on about making pizza all day long.
So, to rabbit on. Is he good at making anything else as well?
I don't think so, no. I think he was just good at making pizza. So he was a one-trick pony.
So, a one-trick pony.
Yeah. But fair play, he was good at that. And actually he did tell me his secret recipe. Yeah.
Secret recipe?
Yeah, I was going to use it the other day.
Right,
Yeah.
So can you tell us your secret recipe?
Oh, I'm afraid not, Namfon. No, I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag today.
So, to let the cat out of the bag.
Yeah.
Come on, you can tell us.
No secrets today, I'm afraid. No secrets, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Well, I think I'm going to go for a swim.
Hold your horses.
Oh, why?
We're going to have to do a review as well.
Oh, of course, yeah. The review.
Yes. So, what did we do today?
Today we introduced some animal idioms.
Right.
Yeah, so we introduced chicken out,
Pig out,
wild goose chase,
rabbit on,
one-trick pony,
let the cat out of the bag.
and the last one, hold your horses.
Right.
Yeah, alright. So I hope you really love these animal idioms today, guys, and yeah, see if you can try to use them in some of your daily conversations.
So thank you very much for watching and see you again in the next video.
Alright, bye bye.